devil can never touch purpose. Yeah, sometimes you have to confuse the enemies. Yeah. Sometimes you have to confuse the enemy. Mando Shikabaya Basata. Rico do Shandaya Mando Shata. Give them something to run with. So it cause confusion in the enemy camp. I said, give them something to run with. Kadaya Ribo Shata. Soketaya Boshata. When it cause confusion in the camp, then God will get you on the inside so you can do things in secret. Hey. I'm going through, but I'm holding on to my faith in you. You see, the devil has been trying to pin me down, but you lift my face from off the ground. I'm still standing, though the devil wanted me dead. I don't know if I'm talking to somebody. Mister, I'm still standing, though the devil wanted me dead. I'm still standing, because God has lifted up my head. I'm still standing. I say, you've been looking at the devil face, look in the offspring them face, and you say, I'm still standing, though the devil wanted me dead. I'm still standing, because God has lifted up my head. I'm still standing. It's because I believe. I'm still standing, because I stay down on my knees. Can I'm standing like David in front of Goliath. I'm standing, don't the devil want to keep me quiet. I said I'm standing and I'm lifting up my praise. I said I'm standing on top of my grave. I'm still. I said I'm still Mando. I said I'm still Kataya. I'm still Kaboshai. I'm still not dead yet. I'm still not crazy yet. I'm still not out there walking naked. I'm still not hungry yet. I'm still not broken yet. I said I'm still standing. I said I'm still, though I'm going through, I'm still standing. And the reason I'm standing is because I said I've got somebody with me to carry my heavy load. Jesus, come on, people of God. We're going to worship this morning. Worship, we're going into some cool place.